Welcome back to Tastes Like Disney. I'm Joey. My producer editor Sophie's back there taking a nap. She's also my dog if this is your first time. And her buddy Fred is next to her. Like I said, Sophie is my producer slash editor, so if you see any text going across the bottom or the top of the screen as you watch this, most of the time making fun of me, those come from Sophie. She loves to do that as she edits. Okay, so today we're going to be doing something exciting that I can't wait for. We're going to be doing the peanut butter cookies that can be found at Disneyland Park. Actually, they used to be able to be found at Disneyland Park. I don't think they have them right now, but they used to be at the Jolly Holiday Bakery, which is down Main Street to your left. It's the Mary Poppins themed bakery that used to be the Plaza Pavilion when Disneyland opened, and I believe the Blue Ribbon Bakery moved there for a short time as well. So yeah, this is exciting though, because I actually had these a long time ago and I thought they were fantastic, but from what I've heard, they don't have them right now. So I don't know if it's a seasonal thing, but if they don't have them right now, they'll definitely be coming back at some point, I would hope. So let's get right to it. The peanut butter cookies from Disneyland's Jolly Holiday Bakery. And also, before I forget, this recipe, I found it at sixsisterstuff.com. That's SIX, sisterstuff.com. All right, so it is now time to try this on camera. Here we go. This is fantastic, delicious. It's so peanut buttery. I love how it has peanut butter chips in it as well, because not all, I don't know if I've ever had a peanut butter cookie that actually had peanut butter chips in it. So if you like peanut butter, this is the way to go. It's delicious. It is soft in the middle, so it was perfect. See, it's a little brown on the bottom, the top, it's soft in the middle. That's what you want. Makes the best cookies. This is delicious. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Maybe 9.5 out of 10. And I hope they bring these back to the Jolly Holiday Bakery at Walt Disney's Disneyland, because I would get these every time. Delicious. Well, that's our video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe, because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also hit the like button, because that really helps us out. More importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. I can attempt to do that, keyword being attempt. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually about 2 per week. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why you love it, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.